that muscle around the mouth, we want to strengthen and tone. It's going to help to reduce those little lines so we can get around the mouth area, often called smoker lines. It's also going to help the muscles attached, so many of the muscles in your cheek area, to lift and firm as well. So really simple exercises, but work to your own level with everything as always. You're going to take your tongue now and you're going to bring it around your lips really gently and really slowly. Let's do one more time. And we're going to go the other way now. So really hard work, and you probably will feel as though your tongue gets a little bit achy as you do this as well. But we're going to go slowly around the lips. Now really think about that orbicularis oris muscle. Think about going around that muscle rather than around your cheeks. And we'll go one more time all the way around. And relaxing for a moment. Okay, so the next technique you can find in my book, The Face Yoga Journal. Now, the Face Yoga Journal has 52 one-minute face yoga techniques. It's a really great guide to have. You can have it on your desk, on your dressing table, on your coffee table, wherever you like, just to give you reminders of some of the key face yoga exercises. So you can get it at Amazon and all good bookstores. And there's also loads of wellness tips in there as well, and loads of journaling you can do in there too. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to just puff air into the top of our lip like this. So really focus on the air going into the top lip. And then go down, so you're puffing it to the bottom lip, then to one cheek, then to the other cheek, and take that again. So puff up and down, and one side and the other side. Let's do that one more time. Don't worry if you don't feel too much air going into either the up and down or even the cheeks. Just do what you can. So we're going up, down, side, and the other side, and just relaxing. Wonderful. Here are 3 easy techniques you can do to tighten a turkey neck. So this loose skin that we can get underneath our chin. You place one hand and you bring your chin parallel to the floor. You place the other hand onto your elbow and you pause there. Bring your lips together and breathe in and out through your nose. Relax your shoulders, pull up through the top of the head. Pushing the fingers up towards the chin. The chin's trying to come towards the chest, but it can't come any further because of that resistance. This is going to help to tighten up this area underneath here and also help to improve posture as well. Your second one is a gentle tapping all the way under this area. This is going to help to really boost the blood flow, boost that circulation, bring the fresh blood and nutrients and oxygen up to the skin surface. And your final one, you just bring your fingers onto your collarbone, you tilt your head back, you slightly bring your bottom lip out until you feel the big platysma muscle at the front of the neck engaging. You hold and breathe there for at least 4 deep breaths. And you want to do each of these techniques every day, and you can do each one for up to 1 minute. Today we are talking jowls. So often this area here which can sag, or we can find that the fat from this area has started to move down, or maybe we're losing muscle tone in that area. So there are a few face yoga techniques you can really do to help that area. So technique number 1 is simply looking after your posture. So shoulders relaxed, relaxing through your chest, relaxing through your neck, lengthening up through your spine. So imagine a string going from the top of the head, moving moving you upwards, so everything is lengthening upwards. And that is going to stop you doing this all day. When you do this, you start to get a build up of fluid and sagginess and muscle in that area. So remember your posture. That is your tip number one. Tip number two is start to do a little bit of massage for this area. So I'm going to show you what to do. You can apply a little bit of Fusion by Danielle Collins Pro Lift Moisturizing Serum. That is very good for all massage and will really help as well if you've got jowls. You're going to place 2 fingers here and you're just going to massage up the nasolabial folds to start off with. Just start to boost a little bit of that blood circulation in that area. And then when you've done a few of those, you're just going to do this. So we're really getting into that area where the jowls are, naturally lifting. You've got that little bit of glide from your Fusion by Danielle Collins Moisturizing Serum. And just breathe deeply as you do it, remembering your posture as well. And remember that everything is energy. So if you've got blocked or stagnant energy in this area, that area is going to show up much more likely as jowls. So by doing massage, we're actually helping to really reduce any build up of stagnant energy. Get that energy, or in yoga we call it prana, in Chinese medicine we call it qi, just getting it moving. And let's just do the other side. So just working up there, nice and gently up those nasolabial folds, and then using your fingers. So really working with boosting your blood circulation here as you go up. You're bringing fresh blood and nutrients and oxygen to that area. So often when we boost the blood circulation and we help that stagnant energy to flow more effectively, so getting that better energy flow, those 2 things alone, before we've even start to work on the muscles, can be really, really effective with helping to reduce your jowls. Okay, let's do another facial exercise, which I really love. Whilst you do this, again, just focus on your breathing. Remember, the better we feel about ourselves on the inside, the more this is going to shine out through our face. So it's not just about reducing a little bit of sagging or lifting a muscle. It's about how we feel, and this vibrant energy will really glow out of us. So we're going to go like this, and then use your fingers and just smoothing outwards. From here, and any lines that are created, I'm smoothing with my fingers. And I'm holding. Keep holding with me, keep breathing deeply. And relaxing, and I'm going to do that just one more time. And relaxing. So you're going to puff your cheeks out full of air, and then just use your fingers to smooth any lines which may have been created around here. You're going to take your other hand and you're going to tap. Keep breathing deeply in and out through your nose. And we're swapping hands. Particularly tap in this area if you're prone to lines in that area, particularly when you wake up in the morning. And relaxing. Okay, so great for lifting and toning the cheeks, but also boosting that blood circulation. So you're getting all that fresh blood, nutrients and oxygen to the skin surface. Another key technique to do before bed is really releasing tension in your jaw. We can really grind our teeth at night, hold a lot of tension there, and generally wake up with a very tense jaw area. And a tense jaw can cause all sorts of problems, from lines around the neck to lines in this area, but also can cause things like headaches. It can affect our posture, affect our stress levels, so many things. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to take our 2 fingers like this, and we're going to circle. So really getting into that big masseter muscle, that big jaw muscle, releasing that tension and releasing. Taking that again. Nice, gentle massage in this area. Lift off and let's do that one more time. And lifting it off. Then just bring your hands onto your shoulders, roll round and back. Really nice to release tension in your shoulders before bed. And then circle the other way as well.